Welcome to another lesson in cybersecurity. Today we will discuss what is cybersecurity and how it can protect an organization. The future of cybersecurity holds both opportunities and challenges as technology continues to evolve. Some key trends and considerations for the future of cybersecurity include an evolving threat landscape. As technology advances, cyber threats are likely to become more sophisticated and diverse. Threat actors will continue to exploit emerging technologies such as AI, IoT, and cloud computing, creating new attack vectors and challenges for cybersecurity. It's important to note that the future of cybersecurity is dynamic and constantly evolving. Staying proactive, embracing emerging technologies, fostering a security-centric culture, and adapting to new threat landscapes will be essential for organizations to protect their assets, data, and users in the digital age. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital and physical attacks. Cybersecurity protects an organization's ability to function, and it enables the safe operation of applications implemented on the organization's IT systems. Cybersecurity protects the data which the organization uses and collects. It safeguards the technology assets in use at the organization and helps to protect organizations and individuals from botnets, distributed denial of service, DDoS, hacking, malware, pharming, phishing, ransomware, spam. The need for security defense in-depth. Cybersecurity defense in-depth is a comprehensive approach to protecting computer systems and networks from various types of cyber threats. By implementing multiple layers of security controls across various levels of an organization's infrastructure, cybersecurity defense in-depth aims to provide overlapping and complementary security measures. This multi-layered approach increases the chances of detecting and preventing cyber threats, even if one layer is breached, minimizing the overall risk to the organization's systems and data. Let us use the analogy of a large castle with high walls, a drawbridge, several towers and pathways, and a central location where the crown jewels are kept. Defense in depth is broken down into the following categories: asterisk policies, procedures and awareness asterisk, physical asterisk, perimeter asterisk, internal network asterisk, host asterisk, application asterisk, crown jewels. The information security policy is defined as a definite course of action or procedure selected from among alternatives, and in light of given conditions to guide and determine present and future decisions. It is a document that states how an organization plans to protect its information assets and information systems, and ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. An asset is described as a resource with a value and any information item, regardless of storage format, which represents value to the organization. The information security policy is a set of guidelines, rules, and procedures that outline how an organization protects its information and technology assets from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. In technology terms, the information security policy establishes the framework for implementing various security measures and controls. Thank you for your attention. Together, we can build a future where everyone has equal opportunities to learn about cybersecurity and thrive. This is cybersecurity for everyone.